Hey guys, it's Marissa at the Marble Planner and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be planning with this kit from Soda Pop Studio for the week of Thanksgiving. So it's the week of the 25th through the 1st of December. It is crazy that the 1st of December is in this week. So this week is actually behind the December tab. Just very crazy. So I just showed you the kit. It's definitely a mini kit. And I did get this off of a Facebook buy sell trade group if you were wondering. So again, I don't know when it was available or if it still is available. So I'm just putting the bottom washi down, having a little bit of trouble lining that up. I will say that I kind of wish I would have whited out the lines, but I'm still kind of holding out to be the person who doesn't do that because I really feel like this planner is beautiful and I don't want to white out all the things because to me that is just crazy for me to do. And also I have like the crappy whiteout, not the good Tombow kind. So that is that. But I will link my planner, which is from Erin Condren, obviously in the description box. And please note, if you do use that link, it is an affiliate link, so I get a small commission. It costs you nothing, but I do get a small commission if you purchase through that link. Just that I can put back into my channel and my Instagram and my planner for you guys. But if you don't, totally fine. That's just an option. So yes, if you have also never ordered from Erin Condren or you're wanting to start a new account, I will have my $10 off referral link as well. So if you sign up, get an account through that referral link, they will email you a $10 code, and I will also get $10 when your purchase goes through, and you'll get $10 off. So, but again, I just love Erin Condren products, and if you're not feeling use my links, I still think they're great. So anyway, I put the little quote box up in the corner, and then I am putting the glitter headers alternating across the top there, as you can see. I haven't had glitter headers for a couple of weeks, so it was nice to have those. So I just alternated them across the top. I didn't use them in line anywhere else, but as the week is going on, I'm kind of using them where, like in place of washi, kind of, just as I have space that needs to get filled, since I don't have any washi for this kit. And then I put the weekend banner down on Saturday and Sunday, and I'm kind of just trying to figure out where I want to put things. So I cover up that little hexagon above December 1st just to show that it is the first of a new month. I cover that up with a flag like we used to back in the day when there was a flag there. So I went ahead and did that, and then I wanted to put the Happy Thanksgiving box obviously on Thanksgiving, so I wanted to make sure that that got put there. And then I'm working on my sidebar, so I'm going to put what is that? A to-do header? Is that what that says? I can't reach my planner. Oh, this week. On the header. Duh. And then I'm putting on my 2 habit trackers. I've been tracking, working in my planner, just like kind of sticking to my plans, and also my vitamins for the past month or so, and it's been working really well. I like tracking those 2 things. Then I am putting this weekly schedule box down. This is the way I've been tracking my husband's work hours because they do change from week to week, and I like to know it, but I can never remember. So I have been tracking it that way. I'm thinking that starting soon I might track it a different way, like track it on each day, just because I don't have a ton that happens on each day. Like I feel like I would have the room to just put his hours on each day also. But I don't know, haven't decided on that yet. And then I am putting the checklist. This is the one big full box heart checklist that the kit did come with. So I'm putting that there for my weekly to-dos. And I put a little glitter strip header down there at the bottom just to fill in that space because I did not, it didn't take up as much space as I guess I thought it would. So I needed kind of some filler. And now I'm figuring out what to do with that space that I left. So I decided that it's like literally the perfect size for a half box, but apparently I'm getting ahead of myself. So this kit did have some cute little like day of the week stickers, I guess. So on Wednesday, I just put hump day at the top, and then there we go. I'm figuring out that a half box fits perfectly, so I just put that in there. And now I'm checking my monthly calendar to see what the heck's going on this week. So I do have not getting there yet. So payday is on Friday. Yay, so I put that sticker there. And then I am putting the little trash can icon on Tuesday because that is our trash day. We have a hard time remembering that for some reason, so I've decided to start marking it when there is room on my planner. And then I decided there was this weekly goal little script thing, so I decided to put that on the half box. And unfortunately, ironically, whatever you want to say, what I wrote in there today, because today is Monday, the 25th, what I wrote in there today was get well because I am homesick from work. I'm a teacher. The kids got me sick. So I took the day off. I have to go in tomorrow because it's the day before break. And then we're off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, obviously for Thanksgiving. So I think the worst of it was yesterday, but I'm still sick today. So I took the day to kind of just rest all day today. And then I'll go in tomorrow and hopefully be well by, Wednesday and especially Thursday. So that is what I did. Typically, I might have just braved it, but with the holiday being so close, I did not want to be sick for that. Plus, I'm cooking my own Thanksgiving on Saturday for my husband's family who are coming into town at my house. So I kind of needed to be well for that too if I'm going to be cooking for other people. So I do end up moving that Happy Thanksgiving box down because I completely forgot about how my full boxes were going to go. So I end up kind of doing like a diagonal situation. And I like that full boxes are kind of like a point of contention for me, just meaning that I'm bad at them. Like I'm bad at placing them for some reason. So I do like how this turned out. I think those top two are kind of close, but it's okay. I like the diagonal look, and then I'm gonna go ahead and continue the diagonal look here on the other side. And again, I put that hump day thing down before I thought about full boxes, but on this side I feel like it's a lot more balanced out, so it's okay. I like it. I thought it looked okay. So then I always do this thing where I like to get rid of sheets. So if a sheet is gone, I want to just get rid of it. So I'll put the stickers on another sheet to kind of consolidate. I do that a lot. You'll probably see me do that again in this video. And then I do put a full or a half box down on Friday for Black Friday. And I'm going to use the little shopping cart icon for that, which is just perfect. I don't know how much shopping I'll do that day. Maybe, probably some. I don't know. We usually go out Thursday night. I never did it before I met my husband, but it was always his family's thing, so now we do it, so that's fine. And then there was a Coffee Monday script sticker that I used just because I had it. I drink coffee every day, so not just because it's Monday. And then I'm putting the little airplane sticker down on Wednesday because that's when my husband's family does arrive here. They're not flying, they're driving, but I figured it could signify travel. And then I put the TGIF little script sticker above Friday because I didn't necessarily want to take up any more room on Friday. I think it looks good there. And then I am putting the little balloons on that Happy Thanksgiving box just to put an icon there. And then I think that might be all that I do. I'm kind of looking around and figuring out if there's anything else I need. And now I'm consolidating stickers, like I said. So yes, I keep the sheets in the back of my planner, and I will fill the weekend as it goes with these. So I like to kind of consolidate them, and I didn't actually end up getting rid of a sheet, but that was okay. And I think I just remembered I had a meeting on Monday. No, what am I putting down? Oh, I'm putting a half box on Wednesday for, I don't know what that's for actually. Probably for off school. Yeah, because I'm off school Wednesday. And then I'm putting a half box for Cook with my mom. I do know that one. I always help her cook the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And so that's that. I think that was all that I did. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, guys. Bye.